Hello, I'm Domenico, and today Chiara and I are going to show you how to use the Spencer skid to evacuate the mobility impaired in multi-story buildings during an emergency.
How can you actually evacuate a patient with the skid in an emergency situation? I am Chiara from Spencer and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use it. Just follow me.
There are different models of the skid chairs. The one we show you today, the Pro Skid E Max, can be used to go both downstairs as well as upstairs, or even used to overcome an obstacle in case of emergency.
Another model of the skid line is the Skid OK Max, a lightweight chair ideal for narrow staircase evacuation thanks to its smaller size and lower weight. As you can see, it's extremely straightforward to use the skid to evacuate a mobility impaired in multi-story buildings.
However, if anything is not clear, just visit our website spencer.it/en or fill the form to request more information or assistance.
Thank you for watching.